So the reason that I chose to work with Nova Design Build London is that actually from the very beginning the process was smooth, efficient, attentive and very, very responsive. And if I think about and reflect how that project has gone, that level has never changed from start to finish, but that was the initial reason that I chose to work with Adam. Working with Adam from the very beginning, it was just very, very seamless and low maintenance. So a few things that I would describe the process of working with Adam would be, first of all, the collaboration. I appreciated his input, his opinion into some of my ideas, his challenge, and also for this is my first project, there are a lot of things that I hadn't thought of. So he was very much walking alongside me and collaborating. Second of all would be the communication. We were regularly in dialogue. He was very responsive to all of my calls and my emails, and that was very comforting. The third element was the trust. The trust in the sense that I was managing this out of the country. So it was a tight timescale. It was one of those elements that you just throw the keys at the organisation and then Adam had to manage the whole thing. So there was an element of trust that the touch points that I had with himself and his team, they really instilled that trust in me, given I was not in the country, not in the property, and Adam and his team made me feel very, very at home and comfortable. The last element was the agility. There's things that will inherently go wrong, and there's nothing that majorly went wrong with my project at all, but it's about how you deal with things going wrong when they do happen rather than avoiding them in general. Very few sticky points at all, but things that we needed to change, he was very agile within that process. Yes, 100% I felt that my vision and needs were met, and that's really down to the open communication and the collaboration and just working very closely with Adam and his team. So what I love about the space and the feedback that I have received about the space is just that it is a very, very small space. But just the fact is we've been able to design it in a way that feels open, airy, it's clean, it's exactly kind of what I had envisaged, but even more. And that is down to Adam's collaboration in nudging me in certain directions and also challenging me in a lot of the ideas that I had. So I absolutely love it, and it's such an efficient use of space because it is a small apartment. Yes, the results did exceed my expectations because I wasn't in country, I wasn't in the apartment. So I just threw the keys at Adam and said, this is kind of what I think, this is what I'm thinking of. He would check in with me, and then I think I spoke to him, well, at least visited the property twice throughout the entire project. So there's an element of trust involved, letting him have full control and the keys to my property, which is very important as a homeowner, but then also to turn up and actually see the finished product. It's just absolutely fantastic. I would 100% recommend Nova Design and Build London, and I would absolutely consider, not even consider, but just reach out if I need any more work doing. I think that is built on the foundations of the quality of work that I've received, the attentiveness to changing things when I changed my mind, and just the journey that I've had with Adam throughout the entire thing, and the collaboration and challenges that I had, because you envisage something but you need somebody to walk alongside with you. We closed it relatively on time, on budget, and the quality I'm so pleased with. So I would 100% recommend, and I would 100% use them if they'll work with me in the future.